Okay, now let's look at the Workflow Secrets transaction dashboards. So if you're ready, go ahead and pull up those dashboards and let's dive in together. The Status Information Dashboard is a dashboard designed to help you safeguard your business from feast or famine months by working to increase the number of pending transactions through lead generating and business building efforts. On the top left-hand side, you're able to see the number of contracts that you have by listing and by buying side, as well as the pending and closed transactions by listing and by buying side, and the very bottom with a month to date total for any of those given fields. On the very top right hand side, you also have access to a pie chart that helps you visually represent the number of pending compared to the number of closed transactions that you have in your system. The really cool feature of this is you're able to click on any of the given side to see which of those properties have been closed through the transactions so that you can better understand their addresses, their status, who was the agent, what client was served, the transaction side, as well as the sales price and the total volume that went into this. Now, on top of that, you have access to a drop-down menu that helps you sort by any given date so that you can better understand how all of these different status information pieces are moving through your system throughout any given date. We hope you've enjoyed today's training. If you have any questions at all, feel free and reach out, help@workflowsecrets.info, and our team would be more than happy to get you squared away. Otherwise, we've got some more trainings coming, so feel free and scroll on down and go ahead and start diving in. We'll see you there.